Even familiar animals indulge in strange activities. Cats from far and wide are irresistibly drawn to a seemingly insignificant plant. In the presence of catnip, they do the unexpected. They not only eat its flowers, they rub, sniff and chew its leaves. Cats are strangely addicted to this fragrant herb. They return for a fix of its heady scent again and again. Its aromatic oils make them frisky and playful. As they fall deeper under its influence, their mood changes in other odd ways. As well as rolling around apparently in ecstasy, they chase imaginary mice. This odd behavior is triggered by chemicals resembling those in tomcat urine. Courting females writhe in this provocative way, but strangely, catnip affects both sexes. Cats even inherit this sensitivity. 3/4 are affected in some way. This weird journey shows how natural chemicals influence animal behavior and reveals much about ourselves.